Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice collaboration is not working, other users can't edit documents, or changes are not syncing in real time, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore collaboration features. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Real-time collaboration depends on a reliable connection. Next, check whether everyone has the proper access rights. Yeah, users with view-only permissions won't be able to edit documents. Try refreshing the document or reopening it. I mean, temporary sync problems can interrupt collaboration. Make sure all participants are working on the same document version. So duplicate files can create confusion and prevent changes from appearing. Sign out of your account and log back in. Reconnecting your session can resolve account-related synchronization issues. If you're using OnlyOffice in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Yeah, corrupted browser data can interfere with collaboration features. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Network routing issues can sometimes affect real-time editing. Make sure everyone is using the latest version of OnlyOffice. I mean, outdated versions can cause compatibility problems. If you're using a cloud workspace, there could be a temporary server issue. So waiting a few minutes and trying again may solve the problem. If collaboration still doesn't work, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can repair damaged files and settings. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional help. They may be able to identify account-specific or server-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice collaboration not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.